Your top performer just updated their LinkedIn. You never saw it coming. AssessTEAM would have warned you months ago. The problem was never the review. It's the 364 days of silence before it, feedback that never came. AssessTEAM fixes that. Run a full 360-degree review from the job description, done in 4 minutes. Build KPIs from any job description in seconds. Then, let AI track performance in real time, catching problems while there's still time to act. It's already working worldwide. 47% lower turnover, performance 3.5 times stronger, recognized across the industry, and loved by the managers who use it every day. So, stop losing your best people to silence. See what's really happening with your team. Start your free trial with AssessTEAM.